Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jada. Nice to meet you. Today we are unboxing the Louis Vuitton Neverfull purse. I purchased this from the Louis Vuitton website. I stalked the website for many weeks and I finally saw it in stock, so I just pulled the trigger and bought it. I will say that I was checking the website between 1 a.m. to 4 a.m. Central Time. This is when I typically saw that it was in stock. And from there, the bag came in about 3 business days. I know a lot of people kind of stray away or are hesitant to buy this bag because everyone literally owns it, but don't let that stop you. This is definitely still a classic piece for a reason. And if you're a first-time Louis Vuitton purchase owner like me, or you're looking to purchase the bag, it's definitely a great investment. So stay tuned for more. So here's the box. I will say that I've already unboxed this off camera first just to see what it looks like. But this is the typical Louis Vuitton box that you would get. And then that is the wrapping. I may insert the initial footage. But here you have the Louis Vuitton dust bag. And on the inside, I have the Louis Vuitton Neverfull monogram print in the Peony rose. I may be saying that incorrectly, so don't come for me in the comments. But basically the Neverfull monogram print in with the pink interior. Here is the pouch that comes with the bag. And then this is the inside of the bag. Very nice. And once you first unbox it, it will have a lot of creases here on the bottom. But I will say I've already let this bag sit out for about a week or so, and I stuffed it. So I don't have as many deep creasing anymore, but just wanted to say this is perfectly normal if you are to see this in your bag. So a lot of people have had concerns about the quality of the bag as far as the misalignment of the print on the side. But after watching many videos, this is actually quite normal. And the only bags that you will see that have perfectly aligned print are sometimes just the replica bags. For the actual certified real bags, they're never aligned perfectly. They should be somewhat together, but they're never perfect like this one here. And this is the pouch. This is the inside of the pouch. It does come with a few tags on the inside. This one says made in USA specifically. And overall, I'm not going to give a full history on the bag just because I don't want to provide any incorrect information, but I just wanted to show the 2022 version of this bag. Everything appears to be fine on my bag. This is the Jada. Now, the part that you guys may be wondering about is the date code. So typically there would have been a tag here that said made in USA, but they no longer do that. As well as here, if you were to purchase the bag like in France, it would say Louis Vuitton, but then under it, it would say Louis Vuitton Paris, then under Paris, it would say made in France. But I don't have that because this is a made in USA bag. As well as underneath, there used to be a date code here, but they're no longer placing those items in the bag. Instead, they're using an RFID tag that you can scan. When I tried to find it, it was located here, But I will say a lot of the free apps are kind of faulty because sometimes it would say that it found it and I was not even near the bag. So I don't know how accurate it is. But I do know that this is an authentic bag because I purchased it from the website. And I'm going to show you guys the organizer that I bought from Amazon. So this is the organizer that I purchased. It's not an exact match of pink, but I will say it's very close and hard to notice the difference, especially if you're not just kind of staring at my bag. And I definitely think it will work for my purposes. So if you guys are interested, I'll definitely link this below. And then just to show you what it looks like if it's closed. So this is how it would look when you close it. And then if you wanted to cinch in the sides, the leather is a bit stiff right now. So it won't go in much. But in case you want an idea of how it would look, this is kind of what you're working with. So overall, I will say I'm a bit underwhelmed. I've wanted the bag for so many years, and now that I actually have it, I am very underwhelmed. You know that feeling of when you wanted something for so long, and then when you finally get it, it's just kind of like, like I could do without it type of feeling, or just you're not excited because you've waited so long. That's kind of how I feel about this purchase. I also feel that for my personal style, it just doesn't flow. Like, I'm a young adult in my 20s, so as far as like what I'm carrying in here day to day, I just typically feel like I gravitate more towards smaller bags. So it definitely depends on your lifestyle if this bag will work for you. I actually have ordered another bag from Louis Vuitton, and I think I'm going to return this one just because I don't see myself carrying it, and if I want to carry it later on, I'll just repurchase it. But yeah, I don't find that this is the best bag for me at the moment. Here is a profile of the purse. It's definitely very cute. Definitely could work for travel. I definitely could see the benefit for travel, but it is COVID and I'm not really traveling as much. So at this particular point in time, it would just hang in my closet. And for the amount of money that I paid, I would rather have something that I'm going to use right now. So I would definitely consider those factors if this is your first Louis Vuitton purchase like mine. And I will say, I still think the bag is nice. I just don't think it works for me. So definitely weigh out the pros and cons. I will briefly show you guys another bag that I purchased, but I'm going to make a separate video. So if you wanted to see comparison of the Louis Vuitton Neverfull and the Louis Vuitton NeoNoe, which I'm much happier with, stay tuned for the next video where I will do an unboxing of this NeoNoe purse. Overall, I think this one is a better purchase for me. The size is just great. It'll work in my day-to-day, and I just prefer it over the bigger Neverfull. I don't see this bag as much, and it just fits me better as far as what I'm looking for in my wardrobe. So if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.